plow try to come through my street. He's having a hard time. Because my neighbor shoveled their snow into the street. So we got a private contractor to come by. Hold on, I gotta put my gloves. Zoom out, what the hell? There you go. This is the reason why you don't shovel into the street. My good neighbors did that. They shovel into the street. So now we got a private contractor to come and plow it. She threw it into the street and she even come out and yell at us for trying to dig her car out because a bunch of snow go into her little side where she fucking threw it in there, threw on the street. That house and the end of the house street there. Playing dumb, playing mind game.